Snuggie?
Let's do it.
Oh my, put it on.
Ah, sorry. Oh my stuff. Hey, that's my extra. What did I get? I wonder what this is. I hope it's not close. It's the buffet. Why did it go to the Snuggie? The Pikachu!
Pikachu?
Well, this one. Oh, is this for me? Oh, yes, it's for you. Sorry. Look it!
Oh.
Look it!
Oh.
What's that, Cam? What do you got there?
Oh, I wonder what this is.
Why you?
Isn't that unusual? My Snuggie!
Oh.
Ah. Look at that, Mommy. Mommy gets 1, 2, 3.
Cam, don't. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 6.
The Cam got two little ones together. And you got one big one.
Which is?
The game.
I want to play it. Can I, Mommy?
Sure. I'm not going to play.
Hey guys.
I'm just asking, can I?
So what do we tell Sinterklaas?
Thank you.
Thank you, Sinterklaasje.
No, listen to this, Dr. Pete.
Well, Zwarte
Zwarte
Piet.
Piet is Sinterklaas, yeah.
Yeah, Zwarte Piet did it for Santa Claus.
Because he already delivered the stuff in there. Dang, he must be tired. So if my Zuzu pet doesn't work, then I could just use the car.
Put the Zuzu pet in the car.
Yeah. I know, but my Zuzu pet doesn't walk.
It doesn't?
It just stands there.
Okay guys,
It doesn't work.
say bye.
Bye.